In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to vote on Slack in just 5 minutes. Slack is one of the most popular collaboration platforms out there, known for its seamless integration with various productivity tools. If you and your team are looking to make decisions quickly and efficiently, using polls in Slack is a fantastic option. Let's dive right in and get started with how to set up voting on Slack. First things first, we need to navigate to the Slack website. If you're not there already, open your preferred web browser and type in slack.com. Once there, you'll see the homepage of Slack, which is packed with resources and tools to help enhance your team's productivity. Next, head over to the sign in section. Here you'll find several ways to log in, but for today's demonstration, we're going to click on sign in with Google. This option is perfect for those of us who are already integrated into Google's ecosystem, as it keeps things simple and seamless. Once you've signed in, you'll find yourself on the Slack dashboard. This is the command center for all your Slack activities. From here you can manage your channels, direct messages, integrations, and much more. The next step is to add an app, specifically a polling app. To do this, look for the Add Apps button on your dashboard. It's usually located on the sidebar and it can be easily identified by the plus symbol. Click on it and you'll be directed to Slack's app directory, where you can explore a plethora of tools designed to extend Slack's functionality. Once in the app directory, locate the Simple Poll app. This tool will allow you to create polls quickly and effortlessly, making it perfect for our voting needs. After finding Simple Poll, click on it to learn more about how it works. You'll want to click on the Install button to add it to your workspace. It's straightforward and shouldn't take more than a couple of seconds. Next, follow the prompts to finalize the installation and ensure you've clicked Add to Slack. This step effectively integrates Simple Poll into your Slack workspace, allowing you to start creating polls immediately. With Simple Poll added, you're all set to create your first poll and start gathering votes. In summary, setting up voting on Slack is a simple process that involves signing into your Slack account, adding the Simple Poll app, and integrating it into your workspace. Once done, you and your team can start making decisions efficiently by simply voting through the platform. Give it a try during your next meeting or team decision-making session, and enjoy the streamlined process that will surely enhance your team's productivity.